Did you know that there are some hidden permissions in Android that you cannot find in the Settings app? In this video, I'm going to show you how to grant these permissions with ADB. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge, and it is a tool for executing commands on your Android device through a terminal. On my device, I installed the PenStar application. PenStar lets me remap S Pen gestures to any app and action that I choose. However, to do this, it needs the read logs permission. This permission isn't found in settings and must be granted through ADB. So let's do that. First, open Settings and find the About Device section. From here, go to Software Information and tap on the build number 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Note that the location of these settings can vary between Android devices. Once developer options are enabled, turn on USB debugging. How you proceed from this point depends on which method you choose. If you're on Android 11 or above, you can complete the process entirely on your device using the first method. If not, you have to use the second method, which requires a PC. Let's start with the first method. Head over to the F-Droid website and download the latest version of Termux. Link is in the description. Once it is downloaded, open the APK and install it. You might be asked to allow installation of unknown apps. Once installed, open Termux and grant any permissions it asks for. The first command we'll run is package install Android tools. This command installs ADB in the Termux environment. Next, go back to developer options and turn on wireless debugging. Then, open Termux and settings in split screen and pair with a pairing code. In Termux, type ADB pair, followed by the IP address and pairing code you see on screen. After the device is paired, connect to it using ADB Connect, followed by the IP address and port shown on screen. Now you can grant the permission by using ADB shell PM grant, followed by the package name and the permission. In our case, PenStar showed us the exact command we need to enter. And that's it, the permission is granted. If you don't know the package name, you can use an app like APK Analyzer that will show you the package names of every installed app on your device. You should disable USB debugging if you're not going to use it in the future. Let's move on to the second method. After enabling USB debugging, open the Android developer's website on your PC. Link is in the description. From here, download the platform tools. After downloading, extract the folder from the archive and open it. Click on the address bar, type CMD in the beginning, and press Enter to open a terminal in this location. Type in ADB start server and hit Enter. Connect the Android device to the PC. You should see a dialog asking you to allow USB debugging. Before granting the permission, we need to know the package name of the application and the permission to grant. In our case, PenStar showed us the exact command we need to enter. If you don't know the package name, you can use an app like APK Analyzer. To grant the permission, type ADB shell pm grant, followed by the package name and the permission. And that's it, the permission is granted. Don't forget to disable USB debugging if you're not going to use it in the future. Now you know how to grant permissions on your Android device using ADB. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay savvy.